Hey guys, today we're trying to get live access on TikTok as a guest. So if you guys are wondering how to get some live access over on the TikTok application, if, in the case that you are a guest, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So if you want to go ahead and have this access, of course, what we need to do first is to launch the TikTok application. So once you're already on your TikTok application, just go ahead and hop onto the live section located at the top left corner of your screens. And then what I want you guys to do from here is to locate this option to request to go live on TikTok. As you would notice, you could actually proceed with requesting to go live on TikTok. And then now, the guest request has been sent. Now, this is only gonna be available on selected live videos on TikTok. So you are basically eligible if the user is allowing for you to be eligible to go live. So if you want to go ahead and do that, of course, what we could actually do is actually proceeding with, of course, requesting to go live first, so that you can proceed with joining and going live on TikTok. So you can actually go ahead and proceed with tapping on the request button, of course. As I said a while ago, this won't be available on every TikTok live video. So, as you would notice, it isn't gonna be available on this, and on this as well, and also on some. So all we need to do is to scroll to the live video that it has the specific TikTok request option available, tap on request, and then hope for the admin or the person that's going live will accept our request for us to, of course, have this live access on TikTok as a guest. And that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and take care.